Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will be discussing about how to detect beard detection. So first of all, you can see the beard detection. One beard will be detect high level accuracy. So we go to the algorithm and report how to work our algorithm. So first of all, you go to the my Git account, link in description. Uh, Download code from here, go to the directory. After upgrade your pip requirements, not need to necessary to opencv, just install and you get the result, just one file. It is very optimization code. I will show you, explain you. So you can see one, second file, third file, fourth file. Here is the python file, main file. So I think, yeah, I think I will open it my Sublime textbook and explain the code. CV2 library, random library. So open the names of the object. It is will be pair. So here the coordinates. Sorry, yeah, appended coordinates, color detection. Which color you will be used. Here the model weight. Here the CV model weight to uh, recognize and sizing. And here the video you can put your here the real time means 0 and 1 webcam and laptop camera. Here the loop and rectangulars and CV right to text and the uh, algorithm. So this is the file, one file. It is very simple code. So open the terminal. First of all, you see the python version. Okay, you check it out the cv2 version of the cv2 dot underscore version 4.6.0. okay, file name is, I'm already in my directory, so file name is python object detection dot py. So you can see result. uh, yeah, it's not working. Yeah, it's working. It's mentioned the probably checking the it's beer, yeah, not beer. Okay, you can see the result of the beer, and it is depend on the processing. Your system is will be high accurate. You can easily to detect the beer. So I hope you like it. We can meet soon next video. Meet will be soon next video. My English not too good. I will try my best and explore the more videos to deliver to the my audience. And I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates. Any kind of confusion, any type of what you comment down, we will updating. We will comment down your support on your and you also use our algorithms and get links. Hope you like it. Yeah, it's weird. Ooh.